Today I will tell you about the PN junction diode, that is diode. So there are two regions P and N, and we have not given any polarity to these terminals. These are the metal contacts. Here the P means acceptor ions, which is negative ion and with one independent hole, and N means the donor ions with that is positive ion with one electron independent. That is, we must remember the formula Pandey. Pandey means NDE means negative donor ions and electrons E and N region, and here PA means acceptor ions and P region, and here because we have shown the electron here, this is hole, so this formula is better for remembering Pandey. P region acceptor ions, N region donor ions with electron. So in acceptor ions P region we have the hole. So we can make here negative ions with holes and positive ions with electron. So there are lots of electrons and lots of positive ions, lots of positive ions, lots of electrons. And similarly here so many number of holes and negative ions. Okay, so what is the charge carrier? Basically, charge carrier is only the electrons and holes. So here the minority charge carrier is hole, here the minority charge carrier is electron, majority charge carrier is electron, here the majority charge carrier is hole. So what is the barrier? So we have the definition of barrier. There are three bands. This is valence band, this is forbidden band, and this is conduction band. When the energy is sufficient so that the valence band electrons cross this forbidden gap, then they go in the conduction band, and if there is energy is not sufficient, they remain in valence band. So how is the PN junction act in when there is forward biased? In forward biased condition, the P region or N region there are. So here for P region we simply make negative ion and one hole, and this is because this is forward biased, so always P is given positive and N is given negative. So here the negative is given. So this is plus and ये इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस H plus minus this E minus. Now when this is given the positive, then the holes will transfer across the junction, that is called the depletion, drift, and there is a drift and depletion. So here the whole electrons will transfer travel to the P region from N region, and hole will travel to the N region. So there is mutual movement. Some of the electrons and holes will recombine, and so a region will be there. There will be no any electrons and holes. So the holes will reach to the negative terminal and electrons will reach to the positive terminal. So a current will be there due to electrons traveling in this direction, IE due to electrons from negative to positive region, and IH due to holes from positive to negative region. So what will happen? A current I, which is comprised of electron plus hole current, will start flowing from anode to cathode. This is anode to cathode, means this is symbol and this is K. Okay, so this is the forward biasing. So here when we increase the voltage, the more number of holes cross the junction and more number of electrons cross the junction. So there is a diffusion, recombination, and depletion in the junction. Drift is the movement of the electron in same region, and diffusion is the movement of electrons to the other region, that is barrier, from the barriers. Now I will tell you about the reverse biased diode. In reverse biased diode, electrons, this is negative and this is positive, and here N region, here this is positive and electron negative, this is negative and hole positive. Now what will happen? The electrons will travel here and holes will travel here, and so this depletion region will extend. Okay, means the potential barrier increased, Increased potential barrier will need higher voltage for conduction. So in reverse biased condition, the diode does not conduct. However, there is a leakage current which will flow due to the leakage current due to minority charge carriers. Minority charge carriers are electrons in p region and holes in n region. So these holes will travel to this direction and these electrons will travel to this direction. These are minority charge carriers. So I have totally illustrated you the processing of PN junction in forward and reverse bias. So what is the characteristics of the diode? The ideal characteristics of diode is like this. However, in non-ideal conditions, uh, leakage current reverse leakage current will flow, and the characteristic will be like this. And in certain after certain reverse voltage, this will the current will